Exercising can be fun, and you certainly don't need a gym membership to get fit. So in this video today, we talk about fun ways to get fit without going to the gym. Look, this channel is all about helping you on your journey to lose weight, get fit and create a healthy lifestyle permanently for you and for your family. Because being fit doesn't have to be complicated, so I try to keep things as simple and as actionable as possible. If you want to learn more about that stuff, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you're not going to miss when I release a new video. Alright, let's get started. So one of the reasons I started this YouTube channel is because I want to show you that you can be fit and healthy without a six-pack and a crazy workout routine. As a father of two, time is limited and I'm always looking for ways to implement more exercise into my life. It is important to maintain a certain fitness level, but we don't have to spend a crazy amount of time on it. When I was new to the fitness world, I believed that I had to go to the gym to be active and fit. So I had my daily life and I had my gym routine. But that didn't always work out well for me, so over the years I realized that it is much more important to have an active lifestyle rather than separate the two. I'm now going towards my 40s and I'm fitter than ever. I still go to the gym because I enjoy it, but the real difference is that I try to implement more activity into my daily life. I don't have a perfect body and I don't feel I need it. I want to be fit, strong and healthy, and I want to see my kids growing up and meet my grandchildren. Life is there to be enjoyed, and to enjoy it longer and more consciously and spend more time with our families, we need to be fit and healthy and not have the best body at the beach. If you think like that, then you're right here, because then I think I have a lot of great stuff coming your way. I believe that exercising is a bonus. It's something you should do regardless of your goals. I even think we should go as far and see exercise as a privilege. After all, your body has to be in a certain condition to even have the ability to work out. Nutrition and exercise go hand in hand, and together they build a great team. But I don't think you have to do any exercises you hate. While in an ideal world we would all work out for 5 days per week in a mix of cardio and strength training, but in reality most of us don't have the time, the desire or the passion to work out that often. And that's cool, and it certainly doesn't mean that you can't live a fit and healthy lifestyle. All you have to do is to find activities that you can incorporate into your daily life. So there are two key elements to ensure that you get more exercise done. That's fidgeting and that's fun. And fidgeting accounts for nearly 350 burned calories throughout the day. And 350 calories is not a joke. It's basically a plate of pasta. It's a small one, but it's still a plate of pasta. And by doing certain things a little differently, we can skyrocket that number even further. In a modern world, we spend our time to get as efficient as possible with everything we do. Technology and other gadgets in our life help us to complete tasks much easier and with less effort. But with more technology, we are becoming less active by the day, and that I think is a problem. Maybe we should aim for being less efficient instead. From parking further away to standing in line for grocery shopping, you can find ways to burn some extra calories all the time throughout the day. Who cares what the perfect workout is? Except you're training for a very specific goal, any exercise will do. You just have to move more. From dancing to yoga to climbing to roughhousing with your kids, it all counts, and as long as you don't lie on the couch, you burn calories. No, actually you do burn calories while lying on the couch, but that is a different story. So here are 3 things to consider. See exercise as a bonus. It helps your heart get stronger, it builds muscles, and it brings you a ton of other health benefits. And any additional calories burned is awesome, right? If you exercise and become more active and feel good about yourself, you will start automatically to make better food choices. The next one is daily exercise as a constant reminder that we're growing and that we're challenging ourselves. You have to push yourself and you have to learn to control your body and mind. And forget about that no pain, no gain bullshit. We have enough possibilities to make exercising fun, because ultimately that is the only way to make it a long-term success. You have to enjoy doing it. So my favorite ways to get fit without actually going to the gym are hiking, for example, because enjoying a breathtaking view after a long hike is rewarding and it is satisfying. If you haven't been hiking before, start with a short round trek that's a couple of hours long. That is also a perfect way to spend some quality time with your kids. If you're fit and you have time, try an overnight hike and camp along the way. So the next one I really like is LARPing. And you probably never heard of it, but it's kind of a nerd thing. It stands for live action role play. It might sound silly for some, but it can be a serious workout, especially if you're into the medieval times and wear body armor, swing heavy weapons and run for your life. So the next one is martial arts, and getting into martial arts was the best thing I could have done for my fitness. Go through a Thai box class and let me know how you go. But it's not just the fitness aspect that is beneficial. You learn respect, you learn self-control, gratitude and confidence. And newbies are always welcome and treated with respect. Next time when you catch up with your friends, just propose an activity. Ask them if they want to go and throw a frisbee or play some golf or just kick a ball. There's so many options to move while having a chat and catching up with friends. And of course we can't forget the things that adults do. And it's not watching Netflix. So research has actually shown that men burn an average of 4.2 calories per minute during sex and women burn an average of 3.1 calories. Why we burn more? I don't know. I leave that to your imagination. But if you want to burn more, I would say take the leading part and extend the foreplay. Because as longer you last, as more you burn. And that's a good thing, right? So do more of it and don't be afraid to take the lead. Next one is learn an instrument. And technically you don't even have to play an instrument. Play air guitar for 20 minutes. And you know what I mean. What is your favorite way to be more active without actually exercising? Let me know in the comments below. So I think the key takeaway from this is just move more in any way possible. There's a definite connection between those that can't sit still and body composition. I want you to understand that exercising is much more than following a workout routine or exercise plan, and that it can be done without ever entering a gym. Here are a few tips to get started. Say yes before you can say no, and stop using excuses. Don't say, I don't have time, because no one really has. You have to make it. Don't say, I can't afford it. You can if you make it a priority. And maybe cut something out that is less important, something like your child's pocket money. I'm just kidding, of course. Anyway, if you plan to do some classes or any other activity you have to sign up to, commit and pay in advance. If you don't show up, you lose your money. Invest in yourself. If you'd rather go with a friend, find someone that would love to join you. But if you don't let that stop you. You grow as a person if you do things by yourself anyway. And expect to suck. Nothing new comes easy. It's going to be a challenge. The difference between an expert and you is the time they have invested. Invest your time and you will be killing it. And the most important thing, have fun. We don't know how long we have on this planet. So make it fun and enjoy the journey. And finally, if you're not sure, just move more. I hope you got some value out of this video. If so, then make sure to hit that like button. I appreciate your feedback and it really helps out with the channel as well. Also, share this video with anyone that might benefit from it. And if you want more content like this, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because being fit doesn't have to be complicated. That's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Arrivederci.